Oh, what's going on here? I'm starved, man. What is that? So what should I try? Tell me.
Hi.
What do you need?
Chicken head.
Ah, I never had. What about the beef? Those brains in there? I need a drink.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna have a chicken head. Never in my life have had a chicken head. Subscribe. Yeah. This little barangay is insane. Oh, what's going on here? I'm starved, man. What is that? Yeah, no kidding. What kind though? Hello. Fried chicken sounds good. Bacano.
50, 40, 10.
What piece is that? What kind is that? Thigh?
It's backbone and the breast.
Backbone and breast. Food time. Oh, my ass hurts. Oh, I gotta take the helmet off. It feels so good. All right, guys, some chicken. Time for some street chicken. All right, you guys okay to be on the vlog? Yeah? All right. Oh, it looks so good. What's your name?
Good. My name is Floor.
Floor.
Yes.
Flora?
Floor, just Floor.
Just Floor. Beautiful name.
40 pesos.
What is How you doing, sir? Your name?
This is chicken skin. It's
I'm
our
Jack.
bestseller.
So what is that?
Chicken skin. Chicken skin. It's one of our bestsellers.
I love chicken skin,
Yeah.
but
This is gizzard.
gizzards are good.
Yeah.
And these guys?
It's backbone.
Backbone, okay.
It's a dog.
You whatever you want, man, you get. But Macano for the gizzard? 10. All right, I'll take 5 of those.
Yeah. 5 for gizzard.
I
need to get my wallet.
I'll use mine. I'll just use mine.
I'll pay next month.
Yeah, pay me back later.
So 5 for gizzard.
Yeah, and you have thighs?
We don't have thighs.
Okay.
We only have backbone and breast part.
Alright, and the backbone you said was...
It's 15 pesos and 20 each.
Is there a lot of meat on there?
What?
Is there a lot of meat on the backbone? Not much, right?
Not much.
Not much. What has the most meat? What has the most meat?
Meat.
Pardon?
It's the breast part.
That part?
Yeah.
And the Macano on those?
It's 20 pesos each.
Okay, can I have 10 breasts?
10 breasts.
10 breasts.
Here.
Yeah.
Here.
Alright. Yeah, take one.
3.
No battery?
7.
No one.
Huh?
No one.
Gee.
So 10 pieces, it's 200. Then 5 pieces of gizzard, it's 250. Alright.
Okay. Sukli mo ba? Kuya,
How about it's vinegar? We don't have any sauce.
No vinegar.
No vinegar. Okay.
That sounds
so
good.
It's just chicken.
And yeah, those two, and we'll
This one.
take one of those.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Perfect, I'll try it.
Yeah. It's one of our best sellers though.
It's good. I had one at Mall of America, and it was terrible.
Really?
I think it was old.
So maybe it's better if we go to America.
No. Mall of Asia. I'm sorry, Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia.
In Manila.
So it's in Pasay.
Yeah, exactly. And
So
it was
tastes
horrible. I think it was like a week old. This is fresh.
Really?
Do you have a name for your shop? Do you have a name?
Yeah, it's just Papa Yam's fried chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say your location.
It's in Sabang Bato. Purok
Okay.
3. Purok 3 Sabang Bato.
Because it'll be on YouTube.
Yeah, thank you.
This is what it looks like here, guys. But it's fresh, man. It's not like the stuff I had. So Mall of Asia was terrible.
I'll give you additional.
Oh,
But you
you're
said
awesome.
It tastes good.
Can I have a little bag for that?
Ha? Manghang. Pare-parehas lang yan. Sakto lang.
Oh, she's nice. So they're making everything fresh. Right there. Look at that.
I'm fried here.
Right there, man. Can't get any better than fresh.
15 te. Then, dalawa 25.
What do you need?
Chicken head.
Ah, I never had. What about the beef?
We got it out.
Is it on
We
there?
got it. No.
We got it out.
Oh, you can take it off?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Because it's not good.
How about the head, the skull? Yeah, you just put what? Is it? I mean,
Yeah, it's in there. 40.
okay, I'll try one.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna have a chicken head. Never in my life have had a chicken head, so
40
you probably think I'm weird.
No, you're not. Most of the people right now.
So can I just grab one?
Yeah. You can try one.
All right, it's a chicken head. They promised me there's no beak in here, so I have no idea what I'm about to experience.
How was the taste?
Taste is good. It's up here. It's in my head. Chicken head. Chicken head. Yeah, man. So guys, those brains in there, they make you smarter, right? Like, I'm gonna be smart tonight.
Additional smarter.
Maybe I'll learn Tagalog. No problem. Got 10.
What's the name of your YouTube? Maybe we're gonna be subscribed.
I'll give you a card. It's Jack Brisk.
You give me a card?
I'll give you a card, yeah.
Give me a card.
No one ever remembers anyway.
Yeah, there's a lot of good people coming here, so maybe I'll forget that.
Are you supposed to swallow all the bones? We're laughing at us. All right. So, it's really good. There's a lot of bones in here, man. Huh?
What can you say?
Life is good. Live it while you still can.
So, yan yung kasama natin. Si Jack Brisk.
That's lots of pieces of bone. All right. How much? Oh, when you're finished. So yeah, chicken head looks good. Never thought I'd have chicken head, but hey, chicken head's good. At least it's not balut. Still haven't done the balut thing yet. Told you, man. Would you hold this? Just what I pay.
It's 290. Wow, thank you so much. We'll be famous.
So give us like 5 days, and you'll see.
Oh, really?
But you,
Okay.
you don't subscribe.
Where's your card?
For your congrats.
Yeah, you'll never know.
Thank you so much, Josh.
My pleasure. And your name again?
Floor.
Laura. And I told you 5 times, so I'm Jack. Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for all the food.
Thank you again.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Hey! dude.
You film me for one more minute?
Huh?
Just one
Okay.
more second, yeah. Go. Stop checking out their chicken. You gotta try out the gizzards. Want some?
I'm good. I'm good, thank you.
A little bit chewy.
It's a gizzard.
That's good.
Yeah. Gizzards are good. Go watch this. Down here. What's up, buddy? Good boy. What's wrong? Delicious. So good.
Hey.
So good. Thank you, sir. I'm a little thirsty.
No, bro, water, you right?
Yeah. You want something to drink? You want something like a soda, Coke, soda, anything, juice?
I'm done with soda, so I need water. I have water.
All right. You're better than Kentucky Fried Chicken, but Jolly's is still good. But it's so expensive. Anyway, I'll be right back. So that fried chicken is absolutely delicious. And what's up, sir? You mind being on a vlog? Say hi. Hi, how you doing? I'm Jack. Meccano for a whole chicken. 240. 240? Reasonable. And is that regular chicken? That's chicken, right? 240. Right, pork? Meccano. 70 for how much? How big? 70. It's not bad. Thank you. I need a drink. So yeah, man. Little seafood adventure. Time to go and say goodbye. Hello. Hello. Oh, you have cold drinks. Do you want to be on the vlog? Yes, no? No? You? Yes? Shy. No? Okay. Do you have diet soda? You want to be on? All right, man. What's up, boss? How your name? Your name, sir?
Good.
Ed? Jack, man. Nice to meet you. Do you have diet soda? Coke Zero, just regular? All right. Meccano Mountain Dew?
20.
20? Yes, one Mountain Dew. Hello. Hey, yes, big hello.
Ano ang pants?
Ugh.
Pants, dalawa. Yung malutote.
I only have 50. Oh, that looks good. Ah, that looks good. Meccano anise.
Wala yung balyag mo?
Meccano? 15? 15. And this is 20.
35 pesos.
35? Okay. Yeah, one please. So I'm gonna have some of those beautiful looking things. They look good. So guys, let me know what's next, all right? Because I'm not 100% sure what you want. I need like your input, guys. I need your input. So what should I try? Tell me. Let's jack out. I will see you back on the scooter. So, okay. So yeah, this cream filled donut. Ah, it's awesome. This is good.
How much is that?
It beats this is not Dunkin' Donuts, and there's real filling in here, man. They didn't cheat. Look at mirror. Film the dog. Film the dog.
Eh? Not gonna eat that. You can
No,
eat
go.
that.
He don't like your donut. Thumbs up. Can he talk? Say like. Can you say like? Is it okay? Can you say like? Like. And
Sabihin mo, eh?
subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Awesome. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.
Bye bye. Thank you. You gotta like and subscribe from the baby. All this time talking to you about battery. My battery's dead.
Thank you po. Yeah.
Thank you. You have a good night. Bye bye.